Changelly Crypto Swap Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Changelly are in the description. Changelly is a fast, reliable, and user-friendly crypto swap platform that enables users to easily exchange cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains. Designed for both beginners and experienced traders, Changelly supports over 150 cryptocurrencies, offering a straightforward way to swap tokens at competitive rates. One of the key features of Changelly is its instant transaction system, which allows users to quickly convert one cryptocurrency to another without having to wait for lengthy confirmations. The platform uses aggregated liquidity, meaning it sources exchange rates from multiple providers to ensure users get the best price for their swaps. This is a big advantage for those who want to avoid high fees and slippage common in some exchanges. Changelly also offers low transaction fees compared to many other platforms, with users able to benefit from competitive rates even when swapping less popular tokens. For those who hold assets on centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Huobi, Changelly's integration allows for smooth and easy withdrawals and deposits, making it convenient to swap between different platforms without hassle. Another standout feature is Changelly's simplicity. Whether you're a crypto novice or an experienced trader, the user interface is clean, easy to navigate, and quick to learn. It's designed for anyone who wants to swap their assets without the complexities of more advanced platforms. Additionally, Changelly supports fiat to crypto conversions, making it an accessible entry point for users looking to buy crypto with traditional payment methods like credit cards. Security is also a priority, with Changelly implementing industry-standard security protocols to protect users' funds and personal information. In conclusion, Changelly is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fast, easy-to-use, and secure crypto swap platform. With its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, low fees, and instant transactions, it's an ideal solution for both casual and frequent traders. Check the description for links to start using Changelly today.